Hi, my name is Kirsty Crawford and I'm a fermentation scientist at Ingenza.
And I'm Scott Parker, a senior scientist in the fermentation team. Our team is responsible for the cell banking, quality control and process development and optimization.
The first stage in the development process is cell banking, whether that be an internally generated strain or an external strain provided by clients, followed by rigorous quality control to ensure strain stability and sterility.
Once strains have passed QC, the next step is to establish the growth profile and screen various process conditions. Our knowledge and understanding of a diverse range of host systems, both microbial and mammalian, is critical in identifying those initial conditions that will offer optimal outputs. Our years of experience and extensive range of equipment allow us great flexibility when designing the format of a process, whether that be batch, fed batch, continuous culture formats, including perfusion and chemostats.
For initial screening and optimization, we utilise a combination of shake flasks and small-scale bioreactors. This allows us to operate in several bioreactors, enabling us to screen multiple organisms, media and operating conditions simultaneously. When it comes to strain evolution and investigative continuous manufacturing, our systems enable us to do this at a small scale with a relatively low cost. Once the optimal process conditions from the smaller scale systems have been established, these are then scaled up in our larger in-house reactors. This enables us to run very high cell density operations, such as Pichia pastoris with over 100 gram per litre dry cell weight, up to a 20 litre working volume. Our experience has allowed us to tech transfer these processes from the amber all the way to the thousands of litre scale.
Over the years, we have delivered scalable, sustainable processes for proof of concept, strain evolution, commercial manufacturing and preclinical trials. We greatly enjoy being involved in the development of what may one day become a fully commercial process and the challenges that come with it. Our focus is always on the end product and process and how best to deliver our clients' needs.